Hey guys, thank you for checking out my channel. In this video I've got a special package. It's from Apple. Let's go ahead and check it out, what's inside of the package. Alrighty guys, so this is the third generation of AirPods. I also got the second generation AirPods. Let me go ahead and get them for you. Here's my second generation pair of AirPods. As you can see, they're really nice earbuds, but unfortunately the left earbud is not working correctly. So I had to get a new pair of AirPods. Luckily, Apple came to the rescue and they actually released the new AirPods. Let me go ahead and show you how this works. So there's the pull tab, which you need to pull. I pulled it. Let's go ahead and show you what's inside of the box. Alrighty, hold up. Wait. I forgot another pull tab. It's pulled now. Wow. Let's go ahead and discuss this first. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's inside of here. Here are your usual books and shit. We can plug them to the side because we don't need them actually. If you want to read them, feel free to read them. I'm not gonna show them in this video because that would be really shit. I mean, yeah. Let me go ahead and put the manuals back inside of here. And let's not go ahead and look at the AirPods first. First we're gonna go ahead and look at what's inside of the box. Hold up. Nice, we got another USB-C to lightning cable. That's actually nice because I am collecting these cables now. Well, I'll unwrap them. And this is good for my USB-C cable collection. So that's really nice. I'm gonna put them to the side right now. So these AirPods, third generation, they have new features. They have spatial audio. And what does that mean? Well, let me go ahead and explain that to you right now. So for instance, if you're watching Netflix on your mobile phone, and I cannot get this in close up properly. If you're watching Netflix on your mobile phone and you want to hear the whole movie like it's coming from all directions, you have to get the AirPods Pro. Yeah, but they're bloody expensive, so I'm really happy that Apple gave us the new AirPods. Let's go ahead and wrap it. So it's fine yet. Hold up. There we go. Let's go ahead and compare the case sizes. This is already matte white. It's because I have lots of scratches on this. This is the new case. I'm gonna show you. Oh wow, let me go ahead and put one in my ear. Let's see how they fit. Oh, that's actually really nice. Yes. Alright. This is how they close. They have my wireless charging. Oh, the case is dead, I see. But let me go ahead and show you the bearing process on my iPhone. Let me go ahead. Alright, my iPhone just crashed on me. That's nice. Unfortunately my Face ID broke, so look. The double check is working, but Face ID is not working, so I'm not sure what happened there. Let me go ahead and pair them. Let's go ahead and click on connect. Here you can see your media controls. You can see right there AirPods, you can see they're connected to my iPhone. Let me go ahead and show you, let me go ahead and put them in my ears, let me go ahead and do a little sound test. Because, hold up. Alright, once it's out of my ear already. Let me go ahead and put the second one in my ear. They're now both in my ears. It's really weird actually because it's a bit weird of a fit. But let me go ahead and show you what I mean with the spatial audio. You can see right there, I can tap that. Hold up. I can tap that right there. I can click on it. It's not working right now because it's not playing. I'm gonna play some good music. Wait, let me find a good one. There it is. Oh yes, I can definitely feel that one. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Oh yes. So I can move to the next song. That's actually really cool. If I hold the button, it will invoke my Siri. That's really cool, but I'm gonna try to find out. Maybe there should be an option to enable the head tracking feature. Yeah, it's not gonna work for now, but there should be an option to choose it. Let me go ahead and head into my settings, to my accessibility settings. Let me go ahead and find the option. Should be somewhere. And I stop now with playing. Let me go ahead and play again. Let me go ahead and head into my settings. Accessibility. Somewhere under AirPods either. There. It's follow iPhone. Oh, there. Put on head tracking. There we go. Oh, this is really cool. You cannot hear it. That's off. This is on. This is head tracking. Hold up. Let me get this one. Hold up. Yeah. This is really cool. This is with it off. It's really cool because it's really cool. I'm probably gonna keep it on. And I really like the new AirPods because they fit in my pocket really easy, I think. Here's the charging case. So I put this one here and it starts to charge. I'm gonna put the other one in here and it starts to charge as well. So this was my quick unboxing of the AirPods 3rd generation. If you have any questions about this product, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get my in-depth review online as soon as I can. But I have to test them out first. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.